Okay, so we should be on page 165. This is lesson 4.3. Okay, this is like yesterday we talked about regrouping to add. Okay, you should be on 165. 165. Okay, Maddie, go find your seat. 165. Okay. So what we're going to do is, what did we learn yesterday? What was our next skill that we learned? Partial what? It's on the board. Partial sum. Okay. So today we're kind of doing something different. Okay. It's going to look like a little bit of like tens and ones in picture 4. So however you want to draw this is fine. It says 58 plus 27. You're going to make a quick sketch about how to solve that. Okay? You could do it a bunch of different ways. Yesterday was partial sum, so you could do the 58 plus 27. Okay, you could find it with the tens. It would be 70. The ones together would be, anybody know what the ones together would be? 8 and 7? 15, right? So that's a partial sum and that's a partial sum. You add those together, you're going to get 75. Or is it going to be one more tens? 85. Right? That was like yesterday. Today we're going to use a very similar thing, but we're going to be drawing. Let's draw 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's draw our 20. 1, 2 for 20. And then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Okay. So let's look at this. We have how many tens over here? We have 50, 60, 70. So I have a 70. Kind of like that one. And how many ones do I have? This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So is that just like what we did over here? Look at, they're very similar. So what's 70 plus 15? Well, we already figured that out too. It's 85, right? Okay, David, get out your book. 165. Okay, so take a second, draw this down, or do the numbers. Whichever one you like is fine. You can do both if you want, or you can just kind of pick one. Yeah. Okay, do both those methods make sense? Okay. Is one more correct than the other? Of course not. Either way is fine. So let's turn the page. We're going to work with these kind of together. All right, so let's turn the page. This one looks a little different. So this is a new concept. This one is called regroup, okay? This one says 29 plus 34 equals what? Okay, so we're still modeling the numbers. How are you modeling the numbers? By drawing, right? Okay, and then it says the tens and the ones. So look at this. This looks a little different from what we just did. How many tens do they include? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 8. So why do they show us 8? Okay, it says model the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over here they have, oh, I'm sorry. That's not that many. That's 2. I was going to say, why are you doing that? So that's 20. And that's 9, right? And this is, there we go, 34. Okay, does that make sense? Good. 29, that's 29. 34, that's 34. Okay? It says model the numbers. Good. 29 plus 34. Okay? All right, so let's look at this. We have 9 over here. What did they do over here? They did 9, and then what did they do? They added one of those from the bottom to make a what? A 10. So this is a 10 now. I want you to take your pencil actually and just go like this. Cross those out. It's like they're not there anymore. Okay? So look at what they did down here. They added the 1 down there because now that's another 10. Okay, the next thing is add the 10s. How many 10s do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now that's a 10 too, right? So that's 6. So they have 6 for the 10s. And how many 1s do you have? None of these are part of it. Yes, 3 are left. So that's why they have 3. 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. 3. 63. Okay, this one's different. But I like it because then it's going, okay, well, I have a bunch of these over here. Let's just bring them over to make a 10. Yes.
Can I get a pencil?
Yes, go. Yes, Ellie? Yep. Okay, this one is a little different. You might be like, I don't know what they're saying, but let's try one together. All right, let's do 46. Bottom one, 46 plus 26. So show me all of the 10s for 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then how many of the 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now show me 26. So show me all the 10s for 26. 1, 2. And then the 1s is how many? 6 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you with me so far? Okay, now what you're going to do, you have a bunch of 1s over here. Do you have at least 10 1s?
Yes.
Could you add some of them together?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to circle these 6 plus how many to make a 10? Good, so these 4 I'm going to bring over to this side, and it's going to be a new 10, right? Here's my new one. I'm going to cross all these out. Go away. Okay? So I added a 10 over here, so I'm going to put one more 10 there. Okay? And how many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should be 7. And how many do I have left in here for the 1s? 2. 72. Kinda? Okay. All right, let's do it. I know, it's weird. It's a new one. Let's try the other page. So go to page, or the next page, go to number 2. Okay, this one says 15 plus 37. So let's go to 15. Show me all the 10s for 15. Just 1, right? Okay, all the 1s for 15, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go to 37. Show me all the 10s for 37. 1, 2, 3, right? And then how many 1s? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's add some of these together to make a 10. So I have 5 up here. 5 plus what equals 10?
5.
So circle these 5 plus 5 more. Bring it over.
You can do the whole entire bottom one and then take 3 all
Sure. Either way. So now you have another 10. I'm going to cross all these out now. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s. And then how many 1s do I have left? 2. So I have 52. Kind of? Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me show you. Okay. Let's say I had 15. How many 10s do I have? 1. 37. How many 10s should I have? 1, 2, 3. Do I have all my 10s so far?
Yes.
Good. So those are my 10s. Okay. How many 1s for my 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 1s for my 37? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I have 5. I'm going to take another 5. I'm going to bring it over here. Look at what happens when I put these all together. Is that a 10?
Yes.
So how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the 50 there, right? How many 1s do I have left? 2. So I have what? 52. 52. Does that make a little bit more sense?
It's kind of basically the same thing, just instead of writing it, you're using
Yes, I'm just using the cubes. All right, let's try another one, and I'll do both of the cubes and pictures. All right, so this one is 39 and 32. So let's draw first. 39. How many 10s are in 39? 3. So draw the 1, 2, 3. David? Okay, how many 1s are in 39? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, look at the 32. How many 10s are in 32? 10s, there's 3. How many 1s are in 32? 2. Okay, so I'm going to show this with my real base 10. So I have 30, okay, and then I need another 30, okay. I need how many over here? 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I also need 2. Okay, you see all that? Now, do I have at least 10 little tiny cubes over here that I could move over to the 10s place? Okay, I have 9. What should I add to this 9 to make this 10? So I'm going to take this. Is this 10 now?
Yes.
Okay, so it goes over here. This is a new 10, right? If I put them all together, it's going to make it what? Well, look, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, right? So I added a 10, that's 70. Okay, I took these 9. I brought it over here. I made a whole nother 1. Okay, how many is left? You see that? 1 is left. Tiny. 1 is left. So 70, and then I have 1, or 71. Okay? All right, let's look at this question to help us understand this more. It says, dig deeper. When do you need to regroup to add two numbers? So you see how we regrouped it? Up here, I put my 10 together, and I made a whole different type of grouping. I had this over here and this over here. So when do you need to regroup to add two numbers? What number do you need to get to?
10.
Yeah. So when do you need to regroup? If you can make a 10, comma, you can regroup them. Okay? So write that down. If you can make a 10, because we could, you can regroup. If you can make it 10,